Hi everyone, so I recently picked up a weapon skin here in the Division 2, but it took me a while to work out how I equip it, so I'm going to talk you through that now. So essentially, you want to come into the main menu and character and choose your weapon. However, if you haven't already picked up any weapon skins, it's a good idea to know how you do that. And you can see in the inventory area, you can tab along to the right and to the left. And you want to tab along until you get to this section, which is where you've got all your clothing. Now, you can't see anything that relates to weapon skins here, but if you go into the apparel store, which is the option on the far left, then you can see in the center weapon skins, and you can look to buy some if you want to add new skins, but you probably kind of just pick them up in the game like I have for this shotty. Now, some skins are only available for certain weapons, so you need to keep that in mind when you pick them up, but you can see by clicking on the weapon and looking down with the right analog stick, you can see this skin slot. If you select that, that is essentially how you equip a weapon skin. So go into the weapon, scroll down using your right analog stick, look for the skin slot, and then you can apply the weapon skins. So that's it, guys. That's how you equip a weapon skin here in the Division 2. Hopefully it helps you out, and if it does, drop us that like below. You can also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already with the links on the left-hand side, and hit that bell button if you want to get notifications for all of our videos as they come out. You can see our merch in the shop below that, and the rest of our videos for the Division 2 with the links on the right-hand side, including more hints and tips.